good afternoon, everyone.
Good afternoon, sir.
So, we will review this afternoon the basic wiring. In basic wiring, we should have the knowledge and skills in selecting the proper size of wire and the proper amperage rating of our circuit breakers. Muna yung pinaka-basic sa wiring. Okay? Because we have to balance the size of the wire and the protection, so that if we are going to install the wirings, it will not cause fires or overload, because the circuit breaker will protect if it can protect if the wirings or the amperage rating is balanced with the size of the wire. Okay, so since it is a review, I will going to ask you questions. Right, so we will start from the smallest wire that we can use in building installation or house wiring. Okay, so in house wiring, we're going to use for lightings. What size of wire in wiring lightings sa mga suga? Oh, number 14 AWG. Okay, what is the equivalent size for AWG number 14 in mm squared?
2.0.
Okay, that is 2.0. So, what is the proper or the most proper size or amperage rating of protection are we going to use?
15 ampere.
15 amperes. So, when we say protection, that is suitable na it is circuit breaker. So, we can use any kind of circuit breaker, basta 15 amperes for what kind or what size of wire?
14.
Number 14. Okay. That is used for lightings. Okay, for example, if we're going to use, kung gagamit tayo ng mga, shall we say, 3.5 mm squared, what is equivalent AWG of 3.5? Okay, number 12. So what should be our protection now? Can we still use the 15 amperes or not? No? So 20? How about if there is only 15 amperes protection? It is okay or not? It's okay. But it is also okay if we are going to use 20 amperes. Okay. Circuit breaker. But if we have only 30 ampere circuit breaker, is it allowed to use the 30 ampere circuit breaker for the 3.5 mm squared wire? Pwede? Why? So, ano yung dapat na circuit breaker na gamitin para sa 3.5 mm squared na wire? Ano? 30. Okay. Yung 3.5 mm squared na wire, saan yun pwedeng gamitin? So, anong wiring application or anong wiring devices na pwedeng connectan natin? Anong klaseng outlet?
Convenience.
Yes, convenience outlet. So, meron din tayong tinatawag na auxiliary outlets. Yung mga outlet na sinasaksakan ng mga TV, kung TV, convenience yan. Pwede yan sa convenience. Yung mga fire alarm, CCTV, fire alarm detection, yung FDAS, fire detection and alarm system sa building natin. So, auxiliary is also 3.5 mm squared. So, what is the protection? 20 ampere nga circuit breaker. Okay. So, yung convenience outlet at auxiliary outlets ay ginagamitan na anong klaseng wire? Anong size? Number 12. AWG at 3.5. Okay. So, if we are going to say nga yung para sa mga refrigerator or medyo malaki na mga equipment sa bahay, yung mga aircon, refrigerator, yung mga washing machine, okay, freezer. So, anong wiring dapat o anong kalaking wire dapat gamitin dyan? So, number 8, pwede siya number 8. Pwede ba number 10? Number 10, pwede? Hindi. 5.5, yes. So 5.5. So what is the circuit breaker we must use in that wiring? 30 amperes. So 30 amperes for 5.5. So if we're going to use 8.0 mm squared or 8 AWG, what is the perfect match
40.
breaker? Okay, 40 amperes. So yun. So if we're going to talk about our service entrance, yung wires natin na mula sa labas ng bahay, yung patungong circuit breaker natin sa main or sa panel board. So, anong gagamitin natin? Anong kalaki? Number 6. Anong mm squared? Yan. Number 6.
10.0
Ano? 14?
10.0.
Okay, 14 mm squared. So, what should be, if you're going to use 14 mm squared wire or conductor, what should be our protection? Amperage rating?
60 amperes.
60 amperes. Okay. So, very good. So, meron tayong mga types of wire, di ba? Meron tayong TW, meron tayong THHN, meron tayong THW. So, ano yung pinakamainam na gamitin na types of wire na makakapag-handle ng mataas na init, di ba? Yung temperature.
THHN.
Okay, THHN. Bakit mo nasabi na ang THHN ang mas mainam na gamitin?
Kapal yung balot na sir.
Makapal ba? Or medyo matigas?
Matigas.
Matagal matunaw. Di ba?
Sir?
Yes, matagal matunaw. Kasi yung code na THHN, yung dalawang H ay ibig sabihin yan ay high temperature. Kung merong isang H sa code ng type ng wire, ibig sabihin ay makakapag-handle siya ng mainit lang. Pero hindi sobrang init, hindi high heat. Okay? Pero kung ang wirings natin ay ilalagay natin or i-install natin sa medyo wet location, yung mga mabasa or posibleng maulanan, so anong dapat na wire? Ano? TW. So anong ibig sabihin ng TW? Thermoplastic wire. So, yung W niya ay ibig sabihin for wet location. Kapag ang wire type ay merong W tulad ng THW or TW, pwede siyang i-install sa mga wet location. Okay? So, yan for the type of wires. Meron pang maraming type of wires. So, meron tayong tinatawag yung mga maliliit na wires na fixture wire. So, yung mga fixture wire ay nagsisimula sa size na, anong size? Yung mga fixture wire. Maliit na dyan, medyo maliit pa yan sa number 14. So, yes, kung meron tayong 16 or 18 fixture wire na yan, hindi na yan THHN or TW. So, fixture wire, para na yan sa mga electrical fixtures, wiring for electrical fixtures. Just like FDAS, yung wiring sa mga smoke detectors, ganyan. So, yan. So, just a short review for wirings, you know. So, the types of wires and the size of wires and the equivalent AWG and mm squared sizing and the protection. When we say protection, that is the part of the circuit breaker.